Some days you crave jollof rice, but the energy to cook is not there. That's when lazy cooking becomes the smartest option. Whether you are Team Ghana or Team Nigeria, hunger is the rare winner. In this video, I'm sharing the lazy way to cook jollof rice. Fast, easy, and still packed with flavor. No long stress, no complicated steps. Just simple cooking that delivers big taste. This method is perfect for busy days, tired evenings, or anytime you want good food without suffering in the kitchen. So as we are stirring everything inside the pot, I cooked the jollof in one pot. Then we are stirring our tomatoes. It's frozen. Our blended ingredients, our tomato puree. This is our spices. You can see. I'm a jollof lover. Even though I'm tired, jollof must happen. And this is not struggling cooking. No. This is a smart way of doing the doings. The chicken is also going inside to relax. One pot, one spoon, zero stress. Remove. The chicken will give at least some aroma to our jollof rice. So let the chicken relax. I added one chicken stock and one beef stock to get a flavor. So now I'm adding hot water so that the chicken can boil and get our stock from it to start our jollof rice. The chicken is very soft, so within 20 minutes it will cook, and I'll remove and roast it. So I just remove it. I'm roasting it for the next. This is my soaked rice. I've cleaned and soaked. I'll put it in my chicken stew to start our jollof rice. Okay, so now I'll put my soaked rice inside the stew to start the jollof rice. You see, it's very simple and a very lazy one. When you are lazy, you add everything in one pot, then you cook it. The jollof rice is doing the doings. See the doings. The color is okay. Everything is on point. No fighting. Now simmering. Now let the jollof rice settle its citizenship, whether Nigeria or Ghana. Now we So this is my vegetables. Let's stir fry it small and add to our jollof rice. When peace like a river attended my way, when sorrows like sea billows roll, whatever my lot thou hast taught me to say, it is well with my soul, it is well with my soul. Still stirring our veggie. So as you can see, I'm cooking the jollof in a one pot, then added the mixed vegetables and the sweet corn to bring color, texture, and extra goodness to complete the meal. The food is giving. So now I will say that whether you are Team Ghana or Team Nigeria, one thing is sure: good jollof rice brings happiness. If you love quick African meals, lazy cooking hacks, and the food that still looks and tastes amazing, this video is for you. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this stress-free jollof rice recipe. To complete the meal, I served it with juicy roasted chicken and a fresh mixed vegetable salad. You can see I've already served in my bowl. The doings is giving. So some days you want jollof rice, but the energy is low. Remember, this video shows the lazy way to cook jollof rice. Fast, easy, and so full of flavor. I have my vegetable small soup here. We are going to combine and eat with it. I'm also serving with a salad. Yeah, you can see it here. Very, very simple recipe. If the aroma enters your neighbor's house, you are doing it right. Yeah, you can see that it's gently mixing this jollof rice, the soup, the salad, they all carries history. Yes. So I have my a mixed recipe here, a lazy one. Yeah, no matter the country, good jollof is good jollof. Whether you are lazy or whatever, good jollof is a good jollof mixed with some vegetable soup and our salad, served with our roasted juicy chicken. Unity in a plate. Look at this. If you still watching, please keep watching. Different flags, same happiness. Jollof rice wins. So I'm mixing my salad for our jollof rice. Yeah, please, if you are still watching, watch. Oh, this is my lettuce and dandelion. Yeah, I have my lemon juice, my cucumber, my tomatoes. I will mix them all together. I have my carrot. Yeah, I'm adding my carrot and mix them. Very simple. If you want creamy, you can also make your salad. You add your salad cream. But if you don't want, you can do just add lemon juice, a pinch of salt, vinegar, olive oil, and mix them together. So I'm mixing my salad together. Very simple. It's not costly. Homemade recipe is the best. So healthy and well prepared. If you are still watching, God bless you. And I really, really love you for your love and support. Yeah. So fast, easy, and absolutely satisfying. Yeah, you can see the salad is, so satisfying and doing the doings. Yeah. So our salad is ready. It's healthy. Our rice is soft. Sauce is rich. Everything is on point. Yeah, you can see that our jollof rice was colorful. Our salad too is giving. Our soup there was in a corner. So thank you all for watching my doings. Please do not skip the advert for me. Watch for me, like, subscribe, and share. I love you for watching my doings. Remember, you don't need energy to cook good food, just good ideas.